Did you know that pirates had better workers' rights than most people living in the 1700s? Here's the part nobody talks about. When Bartholomew Roberts ran his crew, every man on that ship signed a written contract before they ever touched a coin. It spelled out exactly how the treasure would be split. The captain got more, but not by much. Every crew member got a real share. And if you lost your hand in battle, you got paid. Pirate articles from the Golden Age listed specific compensation for specific injuries. A lost right arm could earn you 600 pieces of 8. A lost leg got you 500. That was real money, paid out before anyone else got their cut. The crew also voted on where to sail, on whether to attack a ship, on what to do with the captain if he abused his power. They could remove him by majority vote. No navy did that. No merchant ship did that. No government on Earth offered anything close. The most wanted criminals at sea were running something that looked a lot like democracy.